You know, there's nothing more frustrating than having a stripped screw head. And there are a couple ways you can deal with that. The first one is to take just a larger screwdriver and put it in and just try to really give it pressure and slowly try to turn it out. And if that doesn't work, I've got a great tip. This kit is specifically designed to help you with stripped screw heads. And you can see here it comes in 3 different sizes. And essentially, one bit has 2 heads on it. The first one is to help sort of burnish the hole and make it a little bit bigger. And the second drill bit is to back out the screw. Okay, so we're going to first use the burnishing end. Put that in your drill bit. Make sure that you're in reverse though, because that's the way it cuts. And also make sure you're wearing eye protection because there's going to be a lot of shards flying up. Okay, now we're going to just flip it over to the other end. And this side is actually going to extract the screw. Again, do it in reverse. And there you go. A great addition to your toolbox.